Back again, an emoji review maybe. So basically I'm just trying to record the mechanical keyboard, the order that I have but wanted to be sell. So besides I've only tried to photograph the keyboard, I'm trying to do an in-depth video of the keyboard as well. So this one is the Keychron K4. So yeah, that's all. Okay, back again, an emoji review. Okay, back again, an emoji review. So this time I tried to record the back of the Keychron K4 Aluminium RGB V1 Keychron brown tactile non-hot swap. So basically, I'm just trying to sell with the similar price that I tried to buy, but right now it's only without keycaps, so that's all. Okay, back again, an emoji in-depth review. So still on the Keychron K4 Aluminium RGB, but right now it's only 16 seconds. So basically, I'm just not sure whether I will actually upload it. Emoji testing. So I'm just trying to test the mechanical keyboard that I actually already sold. So this one is a Numpad mechanical keyboard from Motospeed. So it was a Motospeed K23, but the keycap is already changed into one that was created by the local. But I'm not sure whether it is really created by local or it's actually still imported from China. So basically it was a cherry profile Shibuya keycaps. So I'm trying to apply it with the auto red switch in this mechanical pad, so that's all.